Ure vise Muslim for titunu pen and my vote to ama John Dramani Mama Bedani president. Urefi.
Mame Mao Akwaba and Faumbra Ghana in Sam TVG so. What friend me Adjoa searching. Mr. And no first time I would share me a message on was subscribing me a notification bell so for more news. I was often now share said Reverend Owusu Bempah. What MPP food you? Now this time around, the Ghana of winner come. Eja na sorry them kyerɛ ochi Dr. Baumia on person any kusua we. Ye headmaster bi bɛsɛ when no kusua na offend people no person kyerɛ sɛ any Dr. Baumia kwani de behia. Megye ye pa sɛ Reverend Owusu Bempah Dr. Baumia wu kran kope. Na ensɛm a Reverend Owusu Bempah na say what start your day ba okona sorry them wonya preaching bi preach. What to Bible na to akyene. Akofa NPP manual edane dem na sorry them di preach chapters NPP chapters de. MPP for man warning Muslims so mo man warning. Na make ka senche na yeti ensem omode ama Reverend Owusu Bempah.
I say Owusu Bempah oni ma adwen a me nim adwen a okita. A odi politics, a odi preaching. Me nim adwen a okita Owusu Bempah. Just say adwen no a corrupt. Me nim adwen a okita. Na ure vi say in this now come wasam no Muslim for one. Ure fiana. Ure vi say Muslim for titunu pen and my vote to ama John Dramani Mama Bedani president. Ure fi. Ure fiana. Hey, Owusu Bempah. What the Islam e de better to e politics I bet you. I swear you bet you. Do you remember the last time who take issue be about a chief imam? Yan spell. Should be very, very, very careful with your words. Wallahi Owusu Bempah. Yeah, very, very careful. Okay, very, very careful. Kama musuma kunga abinde ke Diana. Kunga ni ai. Mu ce mu ba mu kishin musulmin mu. Ba mu so musulmin mu. Yau gashi nan anan zo ana kekkesin mu. Ali yau ba mu samu ya suna shi malami guda da ya fito yayi magana ba. Ba mu samu malami single malami guda da ya fito ya kanta wannan magana ba. Amma an samu manyan malamai su sa fatakari su je su saya suna rokan kudi just because of politics. Addinin ka dai baka kin addinin ka. Astaghfirullah. Addinin ka dai addinin ku dai ba ku kin addinin kudinga. Mu munga ko ina ba mu yake ko muna son shi ko ina musulmi wujin da shi dukkan mu mun bi shi muna son shi. Dr. Alhaji Mahmud Bamiya musulmin kwarai ne. In ba ka sani ba ka je ka shi musulmin kwarai ne. Aljannan na ba kai ke baya aljannan ba. Ko ina Dr. Alhaji Mahmud Bamiya yake duka mu muna son shi. Kuma mun kashe kanmu mun bashi. Mun vote mu bashi dare da rana duka. Wallahi ku bar mu so junan mu. Our Muslim akul Muslim ku bar mu so junan mu. Musulmi dan wanka ne musulmi ko da bai sallah. Musulmi dan wanka ne musulmi ku bar mu so junan mu.
Reverend Owusu Bempah. Yeah. You see, say, now sorry, they be good. Oh. Yes, they be good. Oh, passport market to the wall. Be the maker. Listen, Ubi oni mi biya say. In my days, I started reading psychological books or take answer and be define me normal, be define me normal, and be doing something this way. I deal with human behavior and then confide with myself. I saw any begu. But make sure you quit begu. Listen to me. If NDC, every election 2028. Yeah. Ultimate take credit no. Reverend Owusu Bempah say NDC we need 2028 elections. Ultimate take the credits to you because we have a lot of NDC pastors almost prophesy say NDC will win 2028. Haven't we heard some before? Jamaica no say. They said year 2024 year ba beto aba no. Chama no prophesy say President Mahama ntimi nya president bi no. That ana Badu Kobi, Reverend Badu Kobi, and prophet Nigel Desimo prophesy say 2024 NDC will win the power. The American say, and son or Bekabi. Beside that, what the bar in the physical realm, me as a logician, meaning say, who follow the history of Ghana politics, the information of Ghana politics, abai bi aba onya 8 years, mewa. Abai bi aba onya 8 years. So, logically, Ubatimi Akase, this will get 8 years. Mewa. The only opportunity NPP ever to win 2028 is say NDC will be fielding new candidates. In our history, our Ghana politics, no, party beyond fielding fresh candidate. Our will be our contested pay, a contested where we need that. And I say, Obia, when a certain president to be contested, we need a see that, a B see that. That's the only opportunity NDC, NPP has going into 2028 elections. But my information, I mean, from 1982 bad there. Abba when you're 8 years. So you can also be informed by that information to say that NPP wouldn't come to power. And an 8-year-old girl cried say NDC won. They had 8 years. NPP 1, they had 8 years. 2000, NDC 2 had 8 years. NPP 2 had 8 years. Yes, and I will tell you why. Not sorry, the big guru. Check. Listen, say, Dr. NDC we need to take credit. Dr. Baumia Winia, a big collapse and sorry. Yes. That's what you're saying. Yes. I'm saying that said this winning and your one because nipa bebre akada some be winning and I pair the information a physical realm no said this winning and your one because I buy be about 8 years but Dr. Baumia winning and sorry the because people will come to realize that we're a certain man of God. I'm telling you. Yes, make sure you culture a certain man of God. Apart from Adidi Atemno, make sure you culture a certain man of God. Okay? What kind of Pew Ghana researcher? Pew Research Center, or me a research firm, a global research firm. Almost the fastest growing major religion in the world, Islam. TNU. Islam. Now, 2010 equals 2028. 10 years. Nipa 347 million. And they call Islam. And no matter the quotia, Christianity, equally, it grow to say Islam. One of the key factors, we have theology, you have to be Christian apologetic. So Christian apologetic, no, HSA. Who defended the Bible and the Christianity because there are some exposés be our Bible more and sometimes and conform with you say it does not make sense to them. For example, who read the Bible or say Tama Ken Ku Nunya Abel no Ken Koi and or Koware or Woye. That time you see the path for the net we are saying why not Kokoware? You need a theologian to break that to them. So people read the Bible. And this Christian apologetic, when they don't understand it, they go to Islam. That is one too. Obviously, the lifestyle of today, the modern, the lifestyle of the modern men of God, the lifestyle of the modern men of God is reducing, reversing people from Christianity. The lifestyle. And that lifestyle, Ebina Reverend Owusu Bempah.
Are you saying he's only man of God?
Me say
He's not spiritual.
Me say, that's why you're spiritual or not. No minimum Kumasi. You feel in Libya. Unu bobo pa. O bobo you feel in Libya. Unu bobo pa. No minimum say ya mensa ono so. But you walk kanu and I make sure say. No minimum say ya mensa ono so. But you walk minimum say I don't know because a true man of God wouldn't do this. You let me come to my ear. At the quality I make say, or yeah, settings man of God ne say. Boss, so with this idea I make ya. Obviously, some lifestyle of some men of God contribute to reverse the progress of Christianity. Listen, inconsistency of some of the men of God. A couple of man conforming Christianity. A man conforming reluctant. They don't go to church because of this inconsistency. Listen, Reverend Owusu Bempah, NDC 2. Ras Mubarak, I am a boss. Tell you. Catch a Ghana for say. Tell me now, Reverend Owusu Bempah bashi NDC for no. Reverend Owusu Bempah Baomu Hose Yamano Oshakers. A man farmer. If you was starting say or criticizing NDC day in and day out, every day NDC is because of that.